Hi, I'm Georgina from BBC Learning English. Have you ever wondered about the difference between as if and as though? We use as if and as though to make comparisons about an imaginary situation or a possible situation that might be true. To make comparisons about an imaginary situation, we use the past tense for the verb following as if or as though. He acted as if he didn't hear anything, but he did. They feel as though they weren't appreciated, but they were. To make comparisons about a possible situation that might be true, we use the present tense for the verb following as if or as though. He speaks as if he knows a lot about cooking. He must love it. Let's ask her for directions. She looks as though she lives here. My stomach is rumbling as if I didn't have any breakfast, but I did. Bye.